Hello, I'm Anika Kapoor, a BTech CSC second year student at Bennett University, and today I'm going to talk about the divide and conquer algorithm. So, as the name suggests, the divide and conquer algorithm follow three steps. First divide, followed by conquer, and then combine. Let's have a look at each of these steps, for which let us consider a problem of size n. Firstly, we would divide this problem into two subproblems, each of size n by 2. This step is called divide. Then we would find the solution to each of the subproblems. This is known as conquer, and this solution is found recursively. Finally, we would combine the solution to the subproblems to find the final solution, that is, the solution to the original problem. This is known as combine. This is the working behind the divide and conquer algorithm. Now let's look at some of the algorithms which follow this approach. Quicksort, merge sort, closest pair problem, binary search, and there are many more. This is the logic behind this algorithm. If we find the smallest value, then we return the solution, else we follow the three steps, that is, divide, conquer, combine. Each of these steps has its own time complexity, which we will look into in the next slide. So now let us consider the time complexity to solve the original problem to be T of n. So the time complexity to solve each of the subproblem becomes T of n by 2, and the time taken to divide or combine the subproblem solutions is f of n. So the total time complexity T of n is equals to f1 of n plus T of n by 2 plus T of n by 2 plus f2 of n, wherein f1 of n is the time complexity to divide the problem into subproblems. The first T of n by 2 is the time complexity taken to find the solution to subproblem 1. This T of n by 2 is the time complexity taken to find the solution to the subproblem 2. And finally, the f2 of n is the time complexity taken to combine these subproblem solutions. So, T of n becomes f1 of n plus 2tn by 2 plus f2 of n. Now, let us look at merge sort, which follows the divide and conquer approach, for which let us consider this problem and our task is to sort it. So firstly, we will divide this problem into two subproblems and consider the left side to be 16, 10, 25 and the right half to be 58, 31 and 9. Firstly, we would sort the left half followed by the right half. So we will further divide this as 16 and 10 together and 25 individually. We would follow this step until the size becomes 1. Once the size becomes 1, we would start combining the values in ascending order. So here you can see that the left half is sorted. Now we will move on to the right side and follow the same steps. That is, first we will divide until the size becomes 1, and when the size becomes 1, we will start combining the values. And here the right side also gets sorted. Now we would combine both these subproblems to find the original solution. So this comes out to be the sorted solution to the problem. I hope you were able to understand the divide and conquer algorithm and now will be able to solve problems based on this concept. Thank you for watching this video.